I mean, are we in the Gilded Age or... Welcome to Tigre, Argentina. Hello, my name is Alfredo and this is Off the Strip, where I introduce you to places just minutes off the Las Vegas Strip or take you on one of my adventures. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. More information is listed below. So when Tigre was discovered by the Spaniards in the 18th century, they called it Tigre because even though there weren't any tigers, they saw jaguars, but they called it tigers anyway. So that's how the city got its name. But the symbol of Tigre is actually a jaguar. Boy, it's starting to rain, but this beautiful palace behind us used to be, well, a private residential for high society, a very rich family. Then it became a hotel, and now it's a museum. But back in the day, this was where all the high society parties used to be. Like the Vanderbilts, I guess. Built in 1912, the building was a gathering place for Argentina's most elite during Tigre's golden age. It is one of the most iconic landmarks in Argentina. Whether you're here for history, or the breathtaking architecture, or the art itself, this palace is an unforgettable destination on the Tigre Delta. Okay, so now we are heading to our boat tour. Lots of people here, but this way to the docks. So this is our boat for the tour. So we are now on our boat tour at the Tigre River, heading to the widest part of the river, which is actually the according to our tour guide anyway, the widest river in the world. Man, even though it's slightly drizzling, the weather is perfect. They say it's humid, but it's not like humidity like in Florida or even in the Philippines or in Asia. It's just nice. It's just, the weather is perfect. Even though it's cloudy, it's not hot, it's not cold, it's just nice. We are now cruising through the breathtaking Tigre Delta, one of the world's largest river deltas. This intricate maze of waterways is fed by the mighty Parana River, creating a lush network of islands and canals, and is home to over 5,000 plant species, diverse wildlife, and picturesque homes on stilts. So around the Tigre River is a bunch of islands, and in the islands are a bunch of homes, residential homes, where people live, and there are no cars in the islands, so you have to have a boat to live in these islands and get to, well, the mainland. Tigre Delta is a favorite escape for locals and tourists alike. It's perfect for boating, fishing, or simply soaking up the tranquil surroundings. So, whether you're an adventure seeker or a nature lover, this peaceful river cruise through the Tigre Delta is an unforgettable way to experience Argentina's natural beauty. What it must be like to live here? So serene, so peaceful, until you get all these tourists in giant boats like we're on, driving by their homes. They must be used to it, right? This glass-encased home is called Sarmiento House. It was built by former Argentine President Domingo Faustino Sarmiento in 1855 as his personal retreat. Today, the house is preserved as a museum. Actually traveling on the Sarmiento River, which is kind of like the main highway per se in the Tigre area and between all the islands. So the homes in this area are between 30 and 120,000 US dollars. It sounds affordable, but then again, you're gonna need a boat. Right behind me is the largest theme park in Buenos Aires, or Argentina maybe, but it's the largest, one of the largest they have in Argentina, if not the largest in Argentina. So we are at Puerto de Fruta. It's like kind of like a market, a main market here in El Tigre. So we're going to explore. We have about just under an hour of free time to explore. Lots of handcrafted artisanal stuff that's made from stuff that they find out here in the jungle, I guess. But oh, here's the map. We'll take a look at the map. Next, we are exploring Puerto de Frutos, a vibrant open-air market right on the Tigre River. Originally a bustling fruit port in the 1930s, it's now a shopper's paradise offering everything from artisanal crafts and furniture to delicious local foods. If you're hunting for unique souvenirs, Puerto de Frutos is a must-see spot in the Tigre. So this is the store we ended up buying our mate cups. You know, they only gave us 50 minutes, less than an hour, to shop this long street of shops. So really not enough time, but we're going to make the best of it. We strolled around some more and my mic went on the fritz, as you can see here. So we headed back to Buenos Aires for some delicious pizza. It was a perfect way to end the day before walking back to our hotel. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more travel content coming soon.